before the intermission, there's just one song left. It's going to be much more fun on the second half, I guess. You guys look so bored. I'm very worried. I think I have this ability to make people, get bored. Maybe this song. Okay, the last song before the intermission. I have to play this song because it's one of the songs that people like most. I got the inspiration when I was walking on the bridge. It was raining, and I just got this melody very suddenly. Do you know the tune of this song? Da, 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 da. I'm not a very good singer, I know. Can you sing with me? Can you sing along? Yeah. Let me see whether you're a good singer or not. Okay. Da, 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 da. It's getting higher. Yes. How do you know this song? That's really strange because I just met you and you know this song. That's great. I haven't even told you the name of the song, but you know this song. That's really strange, but okay. Here is Kiss the Rain.